Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Interactive Investor. 2. Review my UK flat fee investment platform experience. Interactive Investor 2 is a UK-based investment platform offering a flat fee pricing structure aimed at both beginner and experienced investors who want to manage their own portfolios. It provides access to a wide range of investments, including stocks, bonds, funds, ETFs, and investment trusts. Key features include research tools, portfolio analysis, and regular investor updates. Their website provides details on their various account types and pricing tiers. The flat fee structure is their main selling point, offering predictability and transparency compared to percentage-based fees, especially for larger portfolios. They highlight the comprehensive research tools and educational resources available to help investors make informed decisions. Interactive Investor emphasizes their commitment to providing excellent customer service. You can check their website for current offers and to see if this platform aligns with your investment strategy. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Interactive Investor. 2. Getting started was straightforward. The online application process was relatively quick, and my account was verified within a couple of business days. Navigating the interface was initially a bit daunting, given the sheer amount of information available. However, the platform is well organized, and I quickly found my way around. I especially appreciated the portfolio analysis tools, which allowed me to easily track my performance and asset allocation. I primarily invested in ETFs and found the process of buying and selling to be smooth and efficient. The execution speed was good, and the platform consistently provided real-time market data. I did encounter a small hiccup when trying to set up a regular investment plan. It wasn't immediately clear how to do so, but I contacted customer support via email and received a helpful response within 24 hours, resolving the issue promptly. I was really impressed by the depth of the research reports available. The standout feature for me was definitely the comprehensive charting tools, which allowed me to perform detailed technical analysis. One minor drawback was the slightly dated look of the mobile app. While functional, it could benefit from a more modern design. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Interactive Investor. 2. While the interface takes a little getting used to, the flat fee pricing, extensive research tools, and reliable performance make it a solid choice for UK investors. That's my overview of Interactive Investor. 2. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.